How's it going, everyone? Thank you so much for coming to my channel, Airbnb Success Training. Just a little bit of an intro of who I am. My name's Jeff Lloyd, and I started my property journey 10 years ago, just under 10 years ago. And we went into the rent-to-rent strategy, Airbnb type business. We started sourcing properties for investors. We started managing properties for investors as well. And we started securing units for ourselves. Now, the purpose of this YouTube channel is to help hosts not make the mistakes I made and give you a better chance at succeeding in the Airbnb business or Booking.com business. This channel is only provided for hosts who are looking to start, who have just started and still wanting to learn more, and also people who have been in the business for a long time but struggling to find bookings and be consistent in profits. Now, if that's you, please, if you can, to build my channel and let other hosts all around the world, no matter where you are, it can be globally. I'm here to help you succeed because I've been there, I've made the mistakes, I know what I did wrong, I know what I should have done, what I could have done, but they are just should have, could have, and we all do it. You know, we all make mistakes and we always learn by them. Mistakes is the same as failures, and failures are a good thing in any business, because if you don't fail, you won't learn about the mistakes that you made to make that failure or for that failure to come along. So I've made this channel for Airbnb hosts all around the world. So if you're an Airbnb host, no matter where you are, please subscribe to this channel. It's going to give you a lot of advice, a lot of tips, a lot of hacks to get more bookings consistently and also get direct bookings, target your exact guest type as well. And that's a good thing about Airbnb. You need to know who your guest is. But this is just a video to introduce myself. And if you enjoy this channel at any time and you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Please press the like button and please subscribe so we can still offer more advice to Airbnb hosts like you. So I'll see you soon. Have a great day.